In the grand tapestry of time, two floods rise above others. The Enuma Elish of Mesopotamia and Noah's tale of the Bible are strikingly similar. Both speak of a world submerged with one man surviving in a vessel. In the former, it's Utnapishtim, in latter it's Noah. They were chosen by divine powers to preserve life. Enter Gilgamesh, a king seeking immortality. He meets Utnapishtim, the survivor with eternal life, an echo of Noah maybe? Two cultures, two parallel stories, they illustrate our shared human journey transcending time and space. Our fascination with these ancient stories endures. Dive deeper and you'll find we are all connected in the grand story of life.